When it comes to cleaning out your home, office, or construction site, junk removal can seem like a daunting task. From sorting through unwanted items to figuring out how to dispose of them properly, the process can quickly become overwhelming. If you're in Austin, choosing expert junk removal services is a smart decision that can save you time, reduce stress, and make your life a lot easier. Here's why hiring professionals for your junk removal needs is the best option. Save time with efficient service. One of the most significant advantages of hiring a professional junk removal service is the amount of time it saves. Removing large, bulky items or sorting through piles of clutter can take hours, if not days. You'll have to figure out how to transport everything to the right disposal facilities, which can add even more time to the process. Expert junk removal companies in Austin have the experience and the right equipment to get the job done quickly and efficiently. With just one call, a team of professionals will arrive at your location, assess the situation, and get to work right away. They'll handle everything from heavy lifting to sorting, hauling, and disposing of items properly. This means you can focus on more important tasks or simply relax, knowing that the junk removal process is in capable hands. Avoid stress and physical strain. Junk removal is not just a time-consuming task, it can also be physically demanding. Whether you're dealing with old furniture, appliances, or piles of construction debris, lifting and moving these items can put a lot of strain on your body. For those with limited physical ability or mobility, this can become even more difficult. Hiring experts ensures that you don't have to deal with the physical toll of junk removal. Professional junk removal companies have teams of trained individuals who are equipped to handle even the heaviest and most cumbersome items safely. They know how to move, lift, and carry things in a way that minimizes the risk of injury, giving you peace of mind that you won't hurt yourself in the process. Proper disposal and recycling. One of the most complicated aspects of junk removal is knowing where and how to dispose of everything. Throwing unwanted items in the trash isn't always the best option, especially with the increasing emphasis on environmental responsibility. Many items, such as electronics, appliances, and certain building materials, require special handling or recycling. Professional junk removal services in Austin are well versed in the local disposal regulations and environmentally responsible practices. They know where to take items for recycling, donation, or safe disposal, ensuring that your unwanted junk doesn't end up in a landfill unnecessarily. By hiring experts, you can rest assured that your junk is being disposed of in the most eco-friendly way possible, helping you contribute to a greener Austin. Cost-effective in the long run. At first glance, it may seem like removing junk on your own would be the cheaper option. However, when you factor in the time, effort, and transportation costs of doing it yourself, hiring experts can often be more cost-effective. Professional junk removal companies in Austin offer competitive pricing and flexible options that suit your needs, whether you're cleaning out a small apartment or a large construction site. Additionally, handling junk removal yourself may result in unexpected expenses, such as renting a truck or paying for disposal fees. With a professional service, All costs are upfront, and you don't have to worry about hidden fees or last-minute expenses. Peace of mind and reduced stress. Managing clutter, whether at home or in your business, can feel like a never-ending task. The accumulation of junk not only takes up space but can also add to your mental load. It's easy to feel overwhelmed when you think about the time and effort required to clear out everything. By hiring an expert junk removal service in Austin, you're able to eliminate this stress. Professionals will handle the entire process, from start to finish, while you sit back and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a clutter-free space. You won't have to worry about organizing, lifting, or figuring out where everything should go. Experts will take care of it all, leaving you with a clean, organized environment. Conclusion: choosing expert junk removal in Austin is an investment in your time, physical well-being, and mental peace. Professional services can streamline the entire junk removal process, saving you from the hassle of doing it yourself. With their speed, efficiency, and commitment to responsible disposal, expert junk removal services make it easier than ever to reclaim your space and reduce stress. Whether you're clearing out a home, office, or construction site, the benefits of hiring professionals are clear, saving you time and effort while ensuring a cleaner, more organized environment.